Hello friends, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing fantastically, fabulously fine wherever you are. Today I am going to take you to shopping with me. I am going to Roermond Shopping Village. It is called MacArthur Shopping Village and it is in Roermond, Netherlands, and it is around 40-minute drive from here. So let's go with me. But before that, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. So come with me and let's go do the shopping.
So this is the highway which connects Aachen, Germany to Netherlands. And there in Germany, we don't have any speed limit. I have already told you in many vlogs. But in Netherlands, there is a speed limit of 100. So we really have to take care of that. There are heavy fines if we don't follow that speed limit. But in Germany, in many areas, it is a speed limit of 130. And in many areas, on many highways, that stretch, there is no speed limit at all. And traffic rules are actually the same, highway rules are same in both countries, but a little bit of street marking is different. And roundabouts, they are a bit different to cross in Netherlands from Germany, but otherwise the experience is the same. I like Netherlands highway also a lot. They are very smooth and easy to cross. There is not much traffic today here. And weather is also not very good. It is not sunny, it is a bit cloudy. So here where we are going today to Roermond, it is from Aachen, it is 40-minute drive, and it is also very easily accessible from other cities and from other countries as well. People from so many countries come here to like from Belgium, from France, from this, because it is very easily accessible and it is very comfortable place to shop. The basic idea is that so many brands are available in at one place and at cheaper rates, relatively cheaper rates, right? So this is the tunnel. Here also tunnels are very nicely built. They're well lit and we can't stop in the tunnel. It is really forbidden to stop here in the middle of the tunnel. And my friend last week got a fine because his car stopped on the highway because he didn't have petrol in his car. So he was German and still he forgot this rule himself. So yeah, so these things we really have to take care. Actually, in Germany also we have a shopping village, this MacArthur shopping village. This is a brand, shopping village name we have in different countries, but that place is a bit far from our city, so we come here to Roermond because it is relatively nearer to us and it is convenient. It is also wheelchair friendly, and with prams, with kids, and even pets come there. So if you have dogs, cats, so you can also bring them here. It is totally friendly for all types of pets and wheelchair people. And shopping is also tax free. Yes, that is why so many tourists, whenever they come to Europe, to they shop in this shopping village, because it is totally tax-free shopping. Before going back to their country, they just claim the tax refund. They have a separate office of to claim their taxes. So you can claim your whatever tax you paid in GST, you can claim back. And the best thing is that you can have they speak so many languages like Spanish, French, English, German, Dutch. So they speak so many languages. The staff, that is a requirement of the staff when they get employed there, that they have should be able to speak all these languages, because tourists from so many countries come there just to shop. The revenue is actually very huge. They really earn a lot. So that is why even during Corona it was closed, but they opened it as soon as the things got a little bit better. Here they opened it. So we are almost there. In the city of the Roermond. Roermond is also a very beautiful city. They have a river and everything, but we get so much busy in the shopping that we spend all our day in the shops. We don't get a chance actually so much to visit the city. So this is a parking lot. Parking lot is like, it is 3 euro parking fee for whole day. And best thing is that you can pay for the parking ticket anywhere. There are so many machines everywhere on the way that you can pay everywhere. It is not that you forget to, there are a big queues or something like that. No, they have, it is very very convenient place. And Wi-Fi is free, so if you need internet connection, there is no problem, it is free here. And even for electric cars, they have charging stations to charge the battery. Except Renault and Kia, I think all the electric cars can be charged here. So car parking is very huge. They have also a very big building for car park house, like but today the people, they have assistants, and they directed us towards this parking lot. Normally we park in a parking building. There is a huge park house, but today the people, employees, directed us to park here. Look, and it is totally, so much spacious, and relatively actually it is empty, because otherwise it is totally full. In normal times it is totally full. And they have so many toilet facilities. It is so important. They have so many toilet facilities here. Due to corona, it actually, there were not so many toilets were not open, but otherwise it is very very convenient place for the families to come. And they have so many food shops. So we really love coming here. It's very convenient. And they have put barricades to restrict the entry of the people. And welcome is written here in Dutch. So Dutch is a mixture of German and English, as I told you. So signage is here in so many languages, like French, English, German, Dutch. Salamander shop brand is there. So you will see all the big brands. They have Gucci brand also. Look, I can't buy in Gucci. Gucci is too expensive for me. But there are many relatively cheaper brands like Nike, Adidas, Skechers, Salamander, or only S. Oliver. These brands are relatively affordable, and quality is also very good. Puma. So you can buy luxury brands also here, easily available, and also a brand of according to your pocket. They earn a lot. They get lots of revenue from this shopping village. So they have invested also in, in the infrastructure, and making it convenient to the people. Dolce and Gabbana, Versace. So you can all brands are available, and you can shop according to your choice. And there are so many rebates, coupons. They come to your email account. You register yourself, and emails will come to you in your account, that for rebates or coupons, like for birthdays they get different discounts. Because they also have household appliances like crockery, and they have for cosmetics, L'Oreal, Body Shop, Chanel. They have many many brands here for, for cosmetics, for men, women, baby clothing. Samsonite is here. We bought our Samsonite luggage from here, and very low price. I mean, Samsonite is a very very good brand of the luggage, right? Its quality is the best for luggages. Look, when the economy is going good now, they get so many people get employment. It is a ripple effect. So if this type of shopping centers will be closed, so many people will not be working. Cleaners, sales girls, food restaurant people. So all these people, when lose job, it is very bad for the economy. So it is was very essential that they opened it, and maintained the hygiene and social distancing measures. Yeah, mask is not compulsory in Netherlands for shopping. Mask is really not compulsory here. But in Germany, it is really compulsory to go to the shop only after wearing a mask. There is a heavy fine if you don't wear a mask in supermarket. This Only brand is also very affordable and it's clothing for the girls. And I buy normally my clothes from the Only brand. It's really good. So this is the only clothing, that which I wanted to show you. It is on the 2 floors. So some people were wearing mask. It was up to them if they wanted to, but it was not compulsory to wear mask. Like in Switzerland, also a mask is not compulsory. So when they come to Germany for shopping, they really had to pay fines, and because in Germany mask is compulsory. Sometimes we just do window shopping here because all the brands we can't buy. I even went to the Gucci shop, totally out of pocket. It means it's so expensive, but still I liked it. But I didn't like the clothing also so much. And it is too bright. It is too much, bling. But some brands are good, like Desigual brand is very good, and that doesn't fit me. S. Oliver brand is actually very affordable and very good. So yeah, people do shop here and they really do once a year. Maybe they do a very big shop here of clothing, of all.
So we are back from the shopping village. I hope you like the tour. I tried to show you all the factory outlets, all the brands shops that are available. Because of the corona, it was not possible to do so much. It was not also open. Everything was also not open. But I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please hit the like button, share it with your family and friends, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. Write to me in the comment box your opinion, your suggestions, what you want to watch in my vlogs. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy, and stay blessed. Bye bye.